Green thumbs unite! Are you tired of spending a fortune on store-bought fertilizers for your plants? Look no further. With a few simple ingredients, you can whip up these DIY potassium fertilizer recipes that will have your garden thriving in no time. Benefits of potassium fertilizers. Potassium fertilizers provides numerous benefits to plants in the garden. Number 1, improved root development. Number 2, enhanced stress tolerance. Number 3, improved flower and fruit quality. Number 4, increased disease resistance. Number 5, improved water use efficiency. And number 6, enhanced photosynthesis. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruits, flowers, or trees, incorporating potassium into your fertilizer regimen is an excellent way to promote healthy plant growth. DIY potassium fertilizer recipes. Number 1, banana and eggshells. Transform your garden with the power of potassium. Dry 4 ripe banana peels and 3 eggshells to perfection. Then blend with 4 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a food blender. The result? A potent potassium powder ready to be mixed with 75 milliliters of water and poured over your beloved plants. Shake it up and watch your garden flourish. Number 2, wood ash and Epsom salt. Unleash the power of nature's minerals with this DIY potassium-rich fertilizer. All you need is 4 tablespoons of wood ash, 4 tablespoons of Epsom salt, and 75 milliliters of water. Mix the wood ash and Epsom salt together. Add water, stir, and strain. It's that simple. Use this natural potassium boost to encourage blooming and fruiting in your garden. Number 3, dandelion. Gather a good bunch of dandelions in a clean 5-gallon pail. Fill it with water, cover it, and wait for 3 to 4 weeks. Stir occasionally as the dandelions ferment and break down, and get ready for some earthy aromas. When the tea turns black, it's ready to be transformed into a potassium-rich fertilizer. Discard the remaining solids and add them to your compost heap. Dilute the dandelion tea until it's light in color and apply it to the base of your plants to encourage flowering and fruiting. Number 4, kelp. Harvest the bounty of the sea and give your garden a coastal touch. If you're lucky enough to live near the shore, foraging for potassium-rich kelp is a game-changer for your garden. Make sure to collect kelp, not seaweed. It's packed with potassium goodness. Transform your find into a potent liquid kelp fertilizer. Simply fill a bucket with fresh catch, cover it with rainwater, and let it soak for a month, stirring every few days. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.